Hi, my name is Kevin. Welcome to Sherman Oaks Medical Supplies. Today we're going to be taking a deep dive into the Golden Cricket folding power chair. The Golden Cricket weighs only 33 pounds. It's a fully electric and powered mobility device. It's a complete carbon fiber framing. It holds up to about 300 pounds of weight capacity. On a full charge in this chair, you're going to get about 9 miles of distance, and it has a top speed of about 3.5 miles per hour. Next, I'm going to go ahead and dive into how to fold it and how to operate the device. When operating the Golden Cricket, you have a few options as far as how to get into the device. So you can get in the more traditional way using the armrest and sitting down, then lowering the foot plate, and then powering the device on. Otherwise, you also are able to raise the armrest out of the way to do a side transfer. So you're able to come in from the side, slide it in, and then bring the arm down. This can be done from either side, the joystick side and the opposite side. This joystick is also removable, so it can be placed on the left-hand side if needed. As far as operating the device, you have the green power button, which you press. You're gonna wait about 3 seconds. And then from here, just like a traditional power chair, any direction you take it is where the chair is gonna go. Again, it has a top speed of about 3.5 miles per hour. These are smaller motors, so reaching that top speed does take a little bit of torque and throttle before it reaches your top speed. So it is very slow off the get-go. When folding the Golden Cricket, we're gonna power off our device and flip up our foot plate. From here, there's a release lever in the back of the device. Right here, we're gonna lift that up and push forward. Gonna come all the way down just like that. This is our Golden Cricket in the folded position. It doesn't lock while it's folded, so it's important to make sure you don't lift from the seat, which moves. You lift from the bottom of the scooter, which is the base, so it doesn't open up on you. Like this, it's weighing in at about 33 pounds. Another recommendation when folded, or when we're gonna be traveling on the airline, I always recommend to remove the joystick. This is your control box to the whole chair, and this is what operates the whole chair. So the last thing you want, since it's sticking out, is for it to get hit while putting in the car, being on the plane, and getting damaged. They made this very easy. You just have a knob here, which you loosen. Then that whole entire piece just pops off. And then from here, there's one more knob underneath, very easy to loosen. And then this just slides out. So now you can put this in a bag and it's nice and safe while the rest of your chair is on the plane or in the car traveling. If at any point you ever do run out of battery on the device, it's very easy to put it into neutral. You just pull both of these red levers here back, and then now we're able to push this chair. Weighing only at 33 pounds, even with a user inside, it's fairly easy to push like a traditional wheelchair if needed. So the battery on the Golden Cricket, you want to lower the foot plate. Underneath here, you do have a little bag for storing things, but underneath that bag is where our battery is. So there's a release lever here, and we're able to slide our battery out. The battery only weighs about 5-6 pounds. The battery is FAA compliant, so this can go on an airplane. So you would take this on the plane with you, and then they will take the chair. The device does come with a charger. You can charge it either from the battery itself and leave the unit in the car from the port there, or if the battery is on board with the unit, the charging port is underneath the joystick here. So you have 2 different areas you can charge it from. So underneath here or from the battery itself. You do also have a USB port over here under the joystick if you ever did want to charge a mobile device. So some of the pros and cons of the Golden Cricket is it's extremely lightweight is the biggest pro, so it's easy to travel with being only 33 pounds. Some of the cons with a device like this is that you have a set seat width, you have a set armrest height, and the back is a set type of back. So there's really no adjustability when you're using a portable chair like this. So how you sit in it is how it's going to be. So that's why it's really encouraged to come here to our showroom and to try out these products to ensure that it works right for you. Because there's really no adjustment on a chair like this. There's nothing we can change. It just comes one way and would have to work for a broad group of individuals. So our showroom is located in the city of Sherman Oaks, which is in Los Angeles, California. This is a product we always like to keep on display here at Sherman Oaks Medical. We highly recommend giving us a call, coming by, and trying it out before purchasing. Thank you guys for tuning in to this demonstration on the Golden Cricket folding carbon fiber power chair. We strongly encourage our customers to come visit our showroom and try out the various products we offer. We also do offer some other models along with the Golden Cricket that are also carbon fiber, lightweight, and folding. Our showroom is located at 14120 Magnolia Boulevard in the city of Sherman Oaks, California. 91423 would be our zip code. We highly recommend calling us at 818-981-9906 or visit our website at www.shermanoaksmedical.com. Thank you guys for tuning in. We hope this video was informative.